guys, how are you today? So I'm back today with another video. In today's video I'm actually gonna do November's Boxycharm. So I got my Boxycharm in the first week of November, but I hadn't gotten a chance to upload the video because I've had other videos that I had planned for you guys. But here it is, finally, November's Boxycharm. And I was actually very excited about this box this month because the theme of the box this month was Gold Digger. Makes you think it's Gold Digger, but it's actually Gold Digger, which was very awesome because it's just very meaningful for me, especially because I just started my YouTube channel and I just have a lot of goals for myself, and little by little I'm getting things done, so I'm very excited. So when you open up the box, this is what it looks like. And the first thing that I see here, which is my favorite thing in the whole wide world, are brushes. Just to let you know, I already opened the box because, like I said in my first Boxycharm video, I am too impatient and I can never wait until I actually do an unboxing video. So these are the brushes that it brings. They're very, very pretty. I love the gold, and Luxie brushes have become my favorite type of brushes. So this one is the mini angled brush, and it's small and angled. This one is the mini tapered brush, and these two are even smaller than the mini, so these should probably be called mini, but they're not. They're just mini flat angled and mini round. And of course, in our little pamphlet, the value of the brushes are $21 for the set of 4. The next item in the box that I can pull out are these tweezers from Farah brushes. So this is what they look like. They're double-sided, so you have this angled side and then you have this pointy side over here. So the tweezers are valued at $12. I love tweezers. I have about 3 of them lying around. So the next thing that I'm pulling out of the box is this makeup brush cleanser. I'm gonna try this out today because I do have some brushes that I'm gonna use that are a little bit dirty, and I don't want the color from other eyeshadows that I've used to come out in this look today. And the value of the makeup brush cleaner is $12. So the next item in the box is this Cover FX glitter drops in the shade Nova. I think everybody got the same shade, but this is what it looks like. I was going to try it out in my foundation, but I decided that because my face is so oily, I don't know how that would work out, so I'm just gonna do it to highlight. Finally, the last item in the box is this Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. It's called the Grandiose palette. So it has the same design as the outside box, and then when you open it up, these are the colors. Very beautiful colors. This one's Jasmine, which is this one right here. Patchouli, this one over here. Clove, this one here. Rose, this pink one. Myrtle, down here. Poppy, all the way down here. Cinnamon was, which one's cinnamon? This brown one. And finally, Primrose was this one right here. So the value of the palette is $24.99, so basically $25. So in this whole entire box, the total value is $114. I will check that later with a calculator. Let's get into the look. So I already have foundation, prime my face and everything. I'm gonna pick up the shade Patchouli right over here and just put that all over my lid. Now using the same brush, and this is a VH Cosmetics 101 brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Poppy and just apply that to my outer crease. It looks kind of reddish on this, but when you apply it, it kind of turns into pink. Smaller brush. Now this one I definitely need to clean off, so I'm gonna use this spray over here, and it says to just spray directly onto the brush and just kind of swirl it around in a paper. Not bad. So it looks clean. Pick up more of that same poppy color and just put a little bit more definition, more in the crease. And I'm noticing that there's not any fallout, which is good. And it's definitely applying better than the swatch. Blend the outer edges a little bit, kind of just getting rid of harsh lines. So I'm going to use this Luxie angled brush, and I'm going to go into cinnamon over here just to kind of deepen the crease. I'm not sure if anything really went on, but let's just do the same on the other one. I really like this brush. It's really small, so it's like perfect for detailing. So using this brush that I cleaned off without putting any more eyeshadow, I'm just gonna blend those two together. Going back to the palette, I'm gonna pick up this bright pink rose color. It's called Rose. And I'm gonna apply that all over the lid. I'm gonna take my finger and see how that works. Now I'm going to pick up a little bit more of Poppy and just blend it. I mean, I took it a little bit way too high than what I intended to. I'm going to use the mini round brush, and I'm going to use Jasmine and apply that in the inner corner. Mini tapered brush, and I'm gonna apply the same jasmine color to my brow bone. Yeah, even this like jasmine color, I really like it. It's very pigmented and it actually shows. Alright, so now to go to the lower lash line, I'm gonna use the mini flat angled brush, and I'm gonna go into Poppy. I'm gonna use my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. This is what the glitter drops look like. I'm just gonna pour one tiny little drop right there and blend it out and apply it . It's definitely very glittery. This is very cool for the summer, like when I want to glow a little bit, but I don't know how I feel about having glitter on my face. Now some mascara. So I'm gonna use this Superhero It Cosmetics mascara from my last Boxycharm. Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the color Mood that I bought as part of my Ulta 21 day haul. Well, I think this lippy is a little too bold for this look. All in all, this palette is really good. That poppy color is really dark. It's just kind of very hard to keep it in one place, so just when you use it, just be sure of where you want to put it. So that was it for this month's Boxycharm, the month of November. That was all the products that came in my box this month, and I really enjoyed what the look turned out, even though it's a little bit too bold, but you know, it wasn't bad. The colors blended well, and I just, you know, I like playing around with it. The glitter drops, I'm not so sure how I would use that. Maybe in the summer to put it like on my body. But I liked everything in general. Thank you guys for watching this video today. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can keep watching the things that I post. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys again for watching this video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!